Pasok.
ako.
Okay. Uber itu atau karena update karena खड़ी करे सनातन को इच्छे वास्ते so ito ngayon no, over tayo ng Pick Tram and we're going to discover pa saan nung daan. Okay guys, ready? So matataas ang building ho dito. This interesting. Madame Tussauds counter. Okay, itong Madame Tussauds pa, yan po ito eh. Mga wax ng po ito, no? The big tram, yes, this is the big tram. So, let's buy tickets. Okay, pupunta na tayo sa The Peak. Bayad the tram.
Okay. Wala yan kasi hindi kayo makakabalik.
Yung tram eh, para ho itong train eh. Train going to the highest, tallest structure or place here in Hong Kong. Yeah, ito. Wow, so this is kind of exciting. So we're going to scan the code. That's it. Okay. That's a wonderful stories.
Susunod ba kita? Okay. Again.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, go boys. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay. Meron tayong ano dito, no? Escalator. Going up, going up. So that's the tram. So this is our line for the Trump. Okay. Donald Trump. Hello. Hello. Okay. Nagalit na. Andiyan mga tao rito. So ito na pa yung tram. It's a short train, no? Parang MRT lang po. It looks clean and it's nice. Okay. Family mo natin, sakay na yun ng tram. Let's go. Up and away. Ay, nako, okay. So dito tayo sa tram. Going to the Peak. Hi, love.
I love.
Hello, Kyle. Hello, Ella. Hello, Kyla. Hello, Bernie. Hello, good. Okay. Let's enjoy and see, what's on the top. No, this is so called the Peak. Sana pala ako tayo ng gabi pala, ano?
Oo nga.
Pero nakadadala yung mga ilaw sa ano.
Yeah. Ang ganda siguro niyan sa gabi, no?
Oo, lahat ng ilaw, kita natin eh. Ito nga yung ilaw ng building.
Ayun,
Hello? Yan o. Hello?
tama ka. Maganda sa gabi.
Sa gabi, ano? Sabi lang tayo mo, 6 o'clock. Para mapunta natin yung mga ilaw. Yeah? 6 o'clock. Okay, welcome to the peak. So in the peak, nandito tayo sa ibabaw ng pinaka-highest level here in Hong Kong, which is called the peak. And we get here by riding the tram. So, ang daming tao dito. Puro tindahan pala to. Souvenir shop. So, nininegosyohan po tayo dito masyado sa Hong Kong. So, if you're mahilig kayong bumili, dito kayo bumili. Maraming gold, maraming souvenir, maraming pagkain, everything, everywhere. Okay? So ito na may mga anak ko, nag-shopping na naman. Grabe. So tingnan natin, meron sa taas. Silipin na po natin. Yun, no? So from here, we can have a nice, good view of the city. Okay, ito tingnan natin sa top, no? Kung ano po itsura niya from the top. Okay, let's do that later. Later na yan. Observe saan shopping. Mag-shopping pa tayo sa baba. Oh no.
Hindi kasi diretso bili na ng mga souvenirs eh.
Okay, this is expensive here, you know,
Hindi,
expensive.
mas mura. Ang bili nga niya, 100,
Oh.
30. Dito, 69 lang.
Oh really?
Ayan.
Okay, it's good. Okay, it's good. So ito pa yung view, no? Ang the peak, no? Meron tayong multi-level, no? Going up using escalators para makita ko natin yung view, no? From the top, which is called the peak. The peak here is in Hong Kong, no? With shops and Madame Tussauds, no? Dito rin po pala siya makikita. Yan.
Yung sombrero ni Tito. Bakit ba?
Hindi kasi bibilangin po namin kasi may discount.
Yung kay Tito Atan.
Tapos yung dalawang bag.
So, multi-level po pala ito. Takit, no? And kada akit nyo, maraming shops. And from here, no? Makikita nyo narito yung almost entire hardware view. With all the buildings. Yeah. Maganda na po rito. Maganda Hong Kong ngayon. Compared 18 years ago. Yeah. It's different up there, sabi. And another floor. Going up. So, ang dami po, no? Ang daming levels, no? Yung nakit mo natin, no? Let's go. Ay, yeah! Alan niya. Di pumanik.
Bella?
naman, oh. Ganda ng view.
Sumama ka dun.
Ha? Sila mga abas, eh. Nagkakagulan para artista, oh. Oh? Para mga artista itong mga kasama, pinagkakagulan, ha? No?
Sila si Ate Bernice.
Oh, let's see.
Mga artista, oh.
1, 2, 3, smile. One more, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Isa ko pa.
Dito, sige, dito kay lahat, sa gilid, dito, sa gilid. Ay, hindi kinakinig.
Bibigyan niyo ako maganda eh. Ay, maganda dito.
Maganda rito. So, meron pang another level po dito, no? Bracket mo ng, I guess, penthouse or roof deck. Babagam. Okay, another escalator. Let's go. Okay, ito pa yung Babagam, no? Here in Hong Kong. Very nice interior place. Yeah. Stop and hit the next view here. Babagam. That's Babagam. That's Forrest Gump. Still young. Okay. That's it. General store.
Take this one. Can you just try to double it? So you just need to do 1, 2. So if you do two taps, it will be double it. Try. But you have to trust about it. Trust it. Okay, 1, 2. Now we do that. Thank you. All the best. Thank you.